There is none like you. U-typers. I mean, short U-typers. I wanted to say YouTubers. Char-Timers. How's everybody doing today? We got some stuff to. Oh, this guy's crazy. We got some stuff to go over, and I figured out that one short that I did, like, it was like 2 minutes and 48 or 3 minutes and 1 second or whatever it was. It took about almost a whole 24 hours, but they did put it was a test. So I tested it out to see if it would become a short based off of filming it on my laptop like I'm doing now. So it is a short. It is in the short category, and I'm really happy about that. So I don't have to. I don't have to record on my phone if I'm at home. It just doesn't make sense. My phone could be charging, or it could just be. I could just be done with my phone for the day if I'm home. You feel me? So after 1 minute and 22 seconds, what I want to talk about is kindness. Yeah. There she go with that kindness stuff again. It costs you nothing to be nice. It could be hard if you're mad at somebody. It could be hard if you just got road rage. It could be hard if you don't know how to be kind. But once you learn who you are, yeah, there she go talking about that stuff again. Be kind, know who you are, meditate, close your eyes, go within, all that good stuff. Well, it seems to be changing me. So I share my experience that I've lived. So anyways, kindness costs you nothing. It could be hard. It really could. Until it becomes easy. It was hard for me to learn the piano. I'm still learning. But I'm learning. I'm doing it. It's becoming easy. It's inch by inch. They say it's a cinch. Okay? So that's all I wanted to say. I'm making this less than 3 minutes. All these videos that I do on my laptop, I'm doing a few long versions of long form videos. Yeah, there you go. And also short videos. So thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to like and subscribe.